come together to have a friendly football competition. At the end of the competition, base one team, they won the first prize. So they were here awaiting their first prize. However, they see it fit to have a spelling bee competition and also a bun eating contest. Whilst they're having fun, a group of men walk up in the crowd and open gunfire at some of the patrons, hitting 7 persons. 5 succumb and 2 still remain in hospital, not serious. Sir, since then, we have imposed a curfew in the Rockfort area. So far, my team have been on the ground. We have been getting support from Area 4 and SO and right across from MID, and they have been inside the area. My team this morning also received information somewhere along in the Rosedale Road area that one person who involved in this situation that occurred yesterday, and they went on an operation and we had a fatal and a firearm also recovered. We will continue to pursue, sir, and no stone will be left unturned. What is happening here is not something that we are accustomed to in the Kingston Eastern Division, and we are not going to sit back and relax and allow any more of this to take place.
Discussion with the acting deputy commissioner, Warren Clark, immediately authorized a curfew for the area, which is 48 hours, and the police of course took steps to close down the area literally and ensure that there was no one stepping out until they could operationalize their team and find whatever intelligence they could find and seek to identify the perpetrators. They seem to have quickly identified who was involved, and they are now pursuing them as aggressively as they can. And I emphasize aggressive they can. This kind of activity cannot be tolerated in the least, and the police have the full authority to pursue. If the curfew is needed for a longer period, I have the authority to extend it, and I will so do at the request of the commanding officer in this area. At the same time, I had discussions with the acting CDS, who is implicated. He'll give full support to the police, and I understand that both the JDF supporting team and the police officers and officers from the special operations team of the police were out here last night into this morning to continue to carry out activities to find and apprehend these characters who have carried out this brutal activity in Pleasant Heights. We extend our sympathy to the families who are affected, but we will pursue the perpetrators relentlessly and apprehend them and ensure this kind of thing will not repeat itself.